Hi, my name is Karishma Chugani and I'm a storyteller, book artist, and educator. With my movable school, L'École de Papier, I teach workshops about ancient narrative techniques, storytelling objects, and paper formats. I have taught workshops internationally in places such as Madrid, Casablanca, and Luxembourg. I have worked with publishing houses such as Yanbao El Kitab, Biblioteca La Cala, and Ediciones Ecaré. My roots come from many different places, such as India, Morocco, and the United Kingdom. I constantly draw from all of these cultural influences to create my own visual languages. Whatever I make, I am always working with my hands, producing something tangible and telling stories. To start any Papercut book, I research references, imagine scenes, draw characters, write narratives, and construct stories. Within the pages of my sketchbook, I lose my fear of the blank page and enter a paper playground full of possibilities. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to plan a Papercut book for children using a sketchbook. For the final project, you will create a dummy of a silent book using paper cutting techniques. First, I will show you the materials that you will need to follow me and show you my method to work an entire project inside your sketchbook. After that, I will explain how to plant a story seed with 3 simple statements. Then, we will enter our own paper playgrounds and start working with settings, characters, and our storyline using simple paper cutting techniques. The next step will be to explore the many possibilities that paper offers for creating book formats. This way, you will be able to choose one and recreate your very own. Then I will show you how to make dummies for 3 formats, a collection of folded cards, a pop-up accordion, and a tunnel book. Finally, I will give you some tips for publishing and to further your abilities by exploring other paper engineering formats. By the end of this course, you will have better experience with paper cutting, collage, and bookmaking. Start using your hands and make your ideas pop out with paper cutting.